Morning guys, it's Joe from Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this absolutely stunning Ducati Hypermotard 939. It's the SP model is this one. Covered in extras and we'll come to them in a second. So this one's a 2018 on an 18 plate. It's done 1,222 miles. And with these you get adjustable traction control, you get adjustable ABS, a few different power modes and a hell load of power and a load of fun as well. So as you can see as you come across, it has got a full Termignoni exhaust system on it. It's got R&G protection for the engine, the frame, bottom of the forks and down there on the wheel for your paddock stand. You get a lovely single-sided swing arm on these. It's also got an Evotech tail tider, Evotech rad guards, and it's covered in carbon fibre as well. So like I said, it has got the full Termignoni exhaust system on it. You do get the up map as well for it. It's also got the Ducati cover as well, and it's got all the standard bits to go with it. But being an SP, you do get the Ohlins suspension front and rear. You also get Marchesini wheels as well, so lightweight forged wheels. And you just get a really cool bike. I do love these. Right, let's get that full system fired up. And there you go, sounds a beast, looks incredible and loads of fun. So if you do want this one, do be quick, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.